Hey, it's Susie Q here. I don't really have much to say. I don't have any words in front of me. I'm just really kind of accessing the beautiful energies that are right now just really experiencing so much good stuff. Sometimes you think, oh God, it's not good. Yeah, but sometimes there may be some glitches, maybe some things that you need to let go of. There's maybe some things that you want to clear, and maybe you want to have it more clarity of thought. All of this energy has been extraordinary for me to share some of these experiences that I've had since 2008. And actually, when I was 4 years old, I started to have some of these energies as well. And then eventually, I became a teenager, and then I kind of forgot all about that. When you're figuring out like what year was it when it just stopped. And so it's been kind of extraordinary. And I'm really loving looking at some dreams too. Have you ever like looked at a dream or thought about a dream or experienced a dream that you remembered? Sometimes I have a lot of dreams in the early morning, and I just love it, and then I just completely forget what it was. So all of these synchronicities, all of these experiences of frequencies and higher light, and bringing that lighthouse coming in, all of that has been extraordinary. So I'm just kind of like pushing out a few things, a few ideas, or a few things for strategies or effective action, or going into the health of the body. So here we are. Here I am feeling juicy, right? And also with the abundance and prosperity in our field, and also working with relationships, and that sometimes it's tricky. Sometimes relationships are tricky. But the best thing that we can do is just kind of be into that still small voice within. And the more that we can kind of get a little bit more guidance from the still small voice, I just keep listening. I do the very best I can. I'm not going to be a stinker, right? I want to have a better experience going forward with all of these experiences that I've had from maybe when I was 4 years old, and then going forward to I'm going to be 61. It's crazy. I'm going to be 61 in maybe 3 weeks. It's really kind of fun just to even know that 61. It's like kind of cracking me up. Anyway, but I just wanted to come out here and just say a few things, give a little bit of guidance, a little bit of clarity, a little bit of serendipitous energies, all of this. Right behind me, I have all these books right behind me. And I'm really, really appreciative of some people who have been sending me some of these books. They're really kind of extraordinary. So I just wanted to pop in real quick. I know I'm kind of like spazzing out, right? But it's fun to spaz a little bit, right? So we'll see you soon. And namaste.